In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Lovable AI. To do that, you first need to open your Lovable AI project and then navigate to Design View. You can do so by clicking onto this plus icon and clicking onto this design option. With this, you can see right here all of the things that you can add. For this case, let's choose themes. And you can apply a core system style or visual edits for a detailed visual adjustment. You can also click on edit option that will appear under this case. So you can head back to your design and click on this visual edit. And in here, you can just select an element to edit it. For example, let's select right here this, click on control and you can find it. You can change its color, its spacing, padding, as well as other options right there. So you can use the edit button for this case in order to modify the CSS directly within the live preview. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.